Good morning. It is Saturday. It is our first full day in Orlando. Oh, first day period, really. We got here. Oh, let me get to some light. We got here early this morning. Like our flight landed at like 12:30. We got to the hotel at like 2, and we are tired. It's probably like almost 10 o'clock right now. RJ's still asleep. I'm still in my pajamas, and I just finished doing my face routine, so it's all shimmery and shiny. So sorry, but we're here. We are at the Westgate Resort Town Center in the Villas, right here in Kissimmee, Florida. Let me walk outside for a second, show y'all what it looked like outside. So I'm on the side by the parking lot. So here, let me flip y'all around. That's what we're looking like this morning. That's the, ooh, it's muggy. Y'all see all that? Or is that my camera screen? Hang on. Y'all, I think that it's just so humid that the camera screen fogged up when I walked out, because it's doing it again and I just blinked off. But yeah, let me try it again. Alright, so this is the parking lot. We're in the Villa, so we're in this 6100 building. 6147, I think, is our room. Yep, 6147, and we're in B. So there's 3 different rooms that connect. So we have A, B, and C. The main room is A, I think, and then B and C connect to A. And each person has their own, or each family has their own little like situation going on. So we all got our own suite. So that kitchen, if you guys saw the room tour, that kitchen and living room area, bathroom, shower, bedroom, that was all just mine and RJ's. Everybody else has their own setup. So I'm just here. I figured I'd get up, open up the vlog. I'm waiting for RJ to wake up. It is, where's my phone? Let's see what time it is. 9:50 a.m. So almost 10 o'clock, like I said. And as soon as RJ wakes up, we're gonna get showered and get ready to go. Probably get some breakfast, and then I think we might, I don't know, we talked about either going to the beach today or just hanging out at the resort, but there's a lot to do at the resort, so we might just hang out here. We'll see what RJ feeling like when he wake up, but he already said he want breakfast when he wake up, so this trip is about me and him. I like breakfast too, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna find someplace good to go, and we're gonna take you with us. All right, so I am dressed. RJ is dressed too. Outfit the other day real quick. Cute little 2-piece set that my sister gave me. But RJ's dressed too. He went back in the room because he's just doing RJ, which is okay. We on vacation. Do you, son? But I'm waiting for my cousins to get dressed, and then we're gonna go find something to eat for breakfast. But it's so beautiful out here. I love it.
Right there.
RJ got his food.
Okay.
What you got? Pancakes. Everybody else still waiting on their food. We're at Perkins. You ate the bacon already? Girl, yeah. I gotta do not play about no bacon. Turkey. I like turkey bacon. Turkey. RJ's food is gone. What kind of crepes did you get, Lisa? Cordon bleu? Cordon bleu. That French toast was good.
I kept it traditional.
French toast. And I got Southwest crepes, so we're gonna see what that's like. What'd you get?
Hey, what you get? Let me see.
What is it?
Wait, stop moving.
I didn't even see it.
I don't know what that is. It looks like
Play-Doh or something? It does look like green poop. So we're about to go to the water park that's at the resort. It's called Shipwreck Island. It's right over here. You see that? You can kind of see it way over there in the distance.
I can see the water slides from here.
Yeah, you see the water slides, RJ? We're on the balcony of my cousin's room, and they have this nice balcony that's screened in, so you don't have to deal with the bug. RJ, where we going?
The water park?
Yes, we're going to the water park. You ready? You excited?
Yeah.
Yes, Rosh.
Or what?
This is our resort building. We're in 6100 Westgate Town Center Resort. That's what our building looks like. Our room is somewhere on the 4th floor up in there, somewhere right behind the palm trees. Hey, Bootsy Boots! Huh? Sitting in a chair. Woo, what you think of this water park? It's Team Reese Travels on YouTube. That's our family YouTube channel. So check it out, okay? All right. RJ. All right, we are on the lazy river. RJ, I'm trying to relax. You pulling me fast. Oh no. We are on the lazy river now. And doggone it, I am lazy. It feels really good. RJ's having a blast. This water park is really nice. It's not huge. It's big enough for the size resort. It doesn't feel overcrowded. You know what I mean? It doesn't feel overcrowded. I hope y'all can hear me. It's a lot of water running. There's RJ again. What are you doing, son? What you doing? I'm trying to come up. Okay. Oh. You saved me. Go! No!
Go without me. I got this.
Are you getting out?
No.
Best day ever. He's trying to get you! Get her, RJ! Get her! Hey everybody, I'm back. It's Kiki with Team Reese Travels. Thank you so much for watching this vlog today. You saw us hang out at Shipwreck Island, which is the water park here at the Westgate Town Center Resort. The water park is included for owners here at Westgate and also guests. So we got 12 wristbands and we have 3 rooms total. So I think that means you would get 4 wristbands for every room. So that was nice. We can go to the water park as many times as we want to. We have 7 days and we can go every single day, multiple times a day if we want, as long as we have that wristband on. So that's really nice. It was a really nice area. It was cute. It was fun. RJ especially loved the upstairs area where there's a nice big splash pad and some slides. Not the real big, I guess not like scary slides like some of the bigger water parks like you would expect, but These were like the smaller ones. Those are the kind that he likes. He doesn't like the really big, I guess, thrill rides, as you would call them. He doesn't really prefer those, but he liked these. If you have smaller kids, they will love it. Oh, I thought he was asleep. You got something to say too?
One of them hurt my head.
One of those slides hurt your head? Which one? The plunge? No?
The one right by the other one. Where the guy said it had 58.
Oh, okay. Y'all, RJ is good and woe out. If you can't tell that, that is one thing that Shipwreck Island will do. It will wear a child out, and that it did for this one right here. So he getting ready to go to sleep. I think we're going back down there in the morning. There were quite a few people. It wasn't like way overcrowded, but it was a lot of people. So I'm going to try to get down there earlier tomorrow morning. We didn't go down there until about 2 o'clock today, which I think if we'd have gotten there earlier, we wouldn't have hit the crowd as much as we did. So I'm going to try that tomorrow. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the like button. Also, I hope that you consider subscribing. We would love to have you on the team. Stick around, become a part of the family, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time we post a video. We're only on day 1 of this series, y'all. Day 1 of this vacation. It's a lot more to come. Some surprises for you guys, and I hope that you'll go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can find out when the rest of it comes out. All right. Thank you so much. And as always, Team Reese all day.